Hello everyone and welcome back to Stock Market Review. Today is Wednesday, December 20th. It's after hours. Let's take a look at the stock market today. I'm really glad we had a red day. We had a pullback. It's not much of a sell-off, just a pullback. Wasn't really a whole lot. But it was a nice pullback. Almost 500 points for the Dow Jones. S&P 500 down 70 points. And the NASDAQ down almost 230 points, 225 points to be exact. So, let's take a look at the Dow Jones, see how badly it went down. For the day, the Dow Jones went up above 37,600 points, probably 37,650. So about 2 p.m. or so, maybe 2:30, started selling off severely. So it dropped almost 500 points. And yeah, it ended up down 475 points for the day. And the S&P 500 down 70 points. Basically the same thing. It was up till about 2 p.m. Then 2 p.m. started to sell off the rest of the day and down 70 points. So the past 5 days, yep, pullback. Well, this looks like the pullback was enough to erase the full week's gain for the S&P 500. But not enough to be down for the full month. So we'll see if there's more selling activity going on then a couple days between tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, because it's not Christmas yet. Let's look at the Dow Jones one more time. Last 5 days, this one was a 475 point pullback. Last 5 days, yep, the whole week's gain gone in one day or in one hour, last hour or two of the trading day. So yep, this week's gain's all gone. Funny how that works, but I'm glad about it because then we have a buying opportunity. So pull back, not much. And let's take a look at the NASDAQ, down 225 points. Basically a similar story. It was having some gains. It had I'm going to show you here in a little bit the price activity for the NASDAQ. Took it somewhat TQQQ. It's going to look interesting. In the first half of the day or first part of the day, market open till about 2 p.m. Did pretty well, reached new highs, and then about 2 p.m. or so, 2 p.m. 2:30, sell up again, and it just really quickly dropped 225 points. Okay, looks at the 5-day forecast. Almost the whole week of gains gone, so not quite as bad, but still bad. So there we go, full month, pull back a bit. So all right, let's go and take a look at prices now. Before that, I thought there was something else that was intriguing that I took a part in because I saw this price change. See if we can find it again. Not so much Tesla because Tesla's kind of old news. Well, anywho, let's take a look at prices. I'm gonna show the on Robinhood what about. Right, so there was a dip. Let's first take a look at price for the NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and the S&P 500. Right, so the three indexes, Dow Jones finished off the day down to 371. The S&P 500 finished off the day down to $100. And the NASDAQ ticker symbol TQQQ finished off the day down to $48, almost $49. Give you some perspective. Okay, let's push these prices, make them pop a little higher. Pre-market 8:30 a.m. we have 374. About noon or so, 376 hit a peak, and then from noon till 1 o'clock or so, started to sell off a little bit, and then once 2 p.m. hit, it really dropped. So we went from noon 376 to and then the market 370. So we lost about $5, and we gained back a little bit some. So gained back $1, and I think after market hours and pre-market hours for tomorrow, it's recovering. So this might be a good time to buy if you've got the cash to purchase Dow Jones, because it might be recovering tomorrow, making full recovery. But who knows? All right, so that's that for Dow Jones. Let's take a look at XPSL for SP 500. All right, so the SP 500 pre-market hours, well, about 103, 104. Started off the day to noon. They went from 103 to 105, right? So we hit another all-time high. Then about 1 o'clock or so, the market dropped, sold off. We dropped to 99. So it went from 105 to 99. So it is about a $5 drop, which isn't bad. Then we're back up to 100. So the market might be making a recovery tomorrow. And like I said, I jumped in. It was a good price, even though it's only a $5 pullback. Still $5 is $5. Okay. And now let's also take a look at the NASDAQ ticket symbol TQQQ. Finish off the day at $49. So you see, as you can see, pre-market before 8 a.m. roughly $50. Okay, after the market open, it went back up to 51, hitting all new highs. Stayed at 51. Okay, and then about noon hour or so, started dropping severely, and at $49, $48. So from 51 to 48. Not a whole lot, but it's enough to probably make some decent profits tomorrow if it makes the full recovery tomorrow. So that's about what, $3 drop, 51, 50, 40, 40, yeah, $3 drop. So not bad, but is it worth it to you? So there you have it for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the SP 500, and the Nasdaq. There's some potential profit to be made, but we'll see if there's more selling off tomorrow as well, because there could be. But since we're in the bull market, I think it's going to make a recovery tomorrow. So I'm just in a little bit, and if I see activity that it's going to recover tomorrow, I'm going to be in a lot more, at least one share for each one. So let's I'm going to show you what I bought today, taking advantage of the sales, okay? Because see here. First, I'm going to show you BITI, which is the inverse for Bitcoin, okay? I think Bitcoin jumped to like 44,000, so I bought it. I bought in. I got 3 shares at an average price at $12.65. I'm still down some, but it's been recovered. So yeah, and if Bitcoin falls tomorrow, I'll be making 3 shares worth of profits. Yeah, so that's where I'm at with Bitcoin, and it's inverse. Next is FQQQ. They want to spend a whole lot of money on the inverse of TQQQ, so I just bought $2 worth. It made its gains, but I didn't really capture, the potential of the profit. So that's kind of on me. Mara, I bought some. It was just directly related to the cryptocurrency world, so I made a little bit there. Not a whole lot. Not impressive. So TQQQ, okay. While it was down to below $49, I got in a little bit just in case it's going to make more of a sell-off tomorrow. I can buy it at better prices, so I'm only in $2. And if it recovers, I can buy a whole share before it hits $50. And if it makes to all-time highs, I make the profits on that. So there we go. Then of course again on the SP 500, it dropped to $99, $100. So I bought around there, $100. Not in a whole lot, just $2 at a time. If it makes a full recovery tomorrow, I'll probably buy a whole share because I've got some money to play with. Then Oracle, it's been fluctuating a little bit. I made 5 cents off of that. I'm not in too much. Then this was the guy I was talking about. FedEx, because of its earnings report, didn't make a whole lot. The stock went down 11%, so it dropped. Price point dropped $30 or so. Let me show you about here. Went from 280 to 85 or so, right? Dropped to 249-ish, 245 even. Yep, as low as 246. Came back up 252, went back down to 245. So we're at 246. My average price is 250, so not bad. I'm just a few dollars shy. I'm only in about $10, $11, down 16 cents, based on the dollar cost average. If it continues to go down, I might sell it at a different point and buy it back at a better price and make the gains off of that. A whole share this time, because I have some money to play with. Okay, that is it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you feel that the information presented today is valuable, please be sure to push the thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and especially share off TikTok. And I'm also on YouTube under video name Stock Market Review. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Good night, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow for what's going on tomorrow during the market. All right, have a good one. See you next time, next video.